Do it again.
Pretty good.
Oh yeah, them are loud.
You don't want to stare at them.
They're bright. Yeah.
Little dot.
It was nice that they were able to bring it home too.
Yeah, that was nice.
I wasn't really looking forward to coming back down
It
there.
was Dean's idea.
Good
It was
plan.
very nice. Tyler was going to take me back to his house and then take me home around dinner time.
There you go.
Get his legs good. I do like those.
I do too.
I do too.
I don't think you can tell when they're done.
Because they go pop out.
Grandma loved me. Just that one.
Yeah, buddy.
You have a tail light out.
Yes, sir.
You have a tail light out.
Uh-oh, the alarm went off.
You have a tail light out.
I noticed it when I was following you. You have your right tail light's out. I keep forgetting to get one. Sorry, it just popped in my head. You know, I gotta tell you that. I noticed it like a week and a half ago. I followed you home from the golf course or something. I don't even remember what it was, but you had a tail light out.
I will sit over here.
That it?
I love the boom. I don't care. It could be just the boom.
Here comes the boom.
Okay, you hold yours.
I had to say it